I think I just discovered a pyramid in Bosnia. As you guys know, there's a couple of pyramids in Bosnia, in Visoko, and I think I just found another one. The view I'm getting right here is way worse than if you pretty much drive back, but as you can see it, let me see, right there. It is awesome. I'm pretty much staking my claim on it. I'm calling this Pyramid Medo, M-E-D-O. Hopefully it is a real pyramid, but I will get more footage of it later on when I drive back so you guys can see it better. But it looks like a pyramid from here. All right, like, follow, peace.